All right, behind me is our latest giveaway, LB7. I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around and show you what's all done to this thing so you know what you're getting. We'll start off the suspension. This is a high lifter long travel kit paired with a set of 6-inch foils with 45% gear reduction, 22-inch JTX forged wheels wrapped in a 40-inch BKT. Up to the exterior, freshly wrapped by Atlanta Custom Wraps in their new chocolate chip camo. These are Pro Armor metal doors. Got a custom road cage, rigid light bar. They're in motion or whatever their fancy name is for that. Basically, the faster you go, the beam gets tighter. The slower you go, the more wide it gets. Does have rock lights. In the interior, Aces Racing bucket seats. Got custom floor mats by Next Level Mats. Around to the back, DRT trunk setup. Cool thing about this thing is you can keep all your recovery gear in there, your beer, your whatever, spare belt. That way it doesn't fly out going down the trails. JoyDesign Whiskey Biz Edition exhaust. High lifter snorkel kit. Always got to keep a spare fire extinguisher on this thing. You never know when you're going to need it. I think that's it. So all you got to do is go over to lbmotorsportsbrand.com. Every dollar you spend gets you entered to win this.